Hey, what's up guys? My name is Matt Bogosian and I'm a real estate agent here in Thompson Station. In today's video, I'm gonna take you on a tour through this home right here beside me. This home was built by Drees Homes and it's their Belterra floor plan, which is actually one of my favorites. So I'm really excited to show you guys. This particular home is located in the Littlebury neighborhood here in Thompson Station, and it has a lot of cool features that I think make this a really, really nice house. So I'm excited to do this tour and show you guys. Before we go inside, let me just show you what it looks like from the street.
There's a kind of peace moving every couple years, packing up and finding a new home. There's a beauty in the anonymity it brings. When my feet get to itching, I just run.
All right, y'all, so the moment that you step into the foyer, you're gonna notice this beautiful light fixture hanging above you. And then over to your right here, there is a formal dining room. Plenty of space to put a big dining room table, 8 chairs, whatever you need. There is plenty of space here. And then over to the left, you have an office. It's got a coffered ceiling, which is really beautiful. I think this office is like 15 by 17 or something like that. There's some windows. It's facing the front of the house, so there's lots of natural light coming in. It's really beautiful. 2 really nice rooms. Let's continue checking out this house. Once you come down the hallway past the stairs right here, you enter into the main living area, which I think makes this one of the best floor plans that Drees have. You have the kitchen over here to my right. Over here, you guys can't see this. This is like a breakfast room, dining room type area. You can put a full-size dining table right there. That's great. And then behind you is also the living room with a fireplace and all these big windows that open up to the backyard. Now, the kitchen, in my opinion, is definitely a highlight of this floor plan. As you can see, it is absolutely beautiful. There's a huge island right here. You can easily fit 4 bar stools right here, which I love. You've got this beautiful farm sink. I love that they went with these gold finishes right here with it looks like it's like an off-white cabinet. There's a double oven over on this side. I absolutely love that. KitchenAid appliances. They did the tile backsplash all the way to the ceiling around this oven hood right here. The double stack cabinets. Plenty of recessed lighting. You've got your dishwasher right here. Microwave is over here. And then they even have this butler's pantry back there with the regular pantry that is just phenomenal. I mean, the cabinet space in this kitchen and the room to just move around is absolutely fantastic. This floor plan right here is just amazing here. This living area is awesome. I can't say anything bad about the Belterra floor plan in this living area. It's that good. So this is another really cool feature of this floor plan. This right here is called the family ready room. And basically what this family ready room is it's a laundry room. So you have a space for your washer and dryer right here. And then they added all these cabinets right here. There's a sink right here with a countertop that you might not be able to see. And then what's really, really awesome is they put this space here for a second refrigerator. I find that to be so convenient. It is much nicer than having that refrigerator out in the garage. This family ready room is something that Drees does in a lot of their homes, and they do it really, really well, especially in this Belterra floor plan. All right, y'all, so I am standing in the master bathroom. I skipped over the master bedroom because it's just an empty room. There is plenty of space in there, though. I can absolutely assure you that. This master bathroom, though, is freaking awesome, guys. I personally had this bathroom, and it is so, so convenient. First of all, you've got his and her vanities right here. This one is a little bit larger and it's got this stack of cabinets here for your wife to put jewelry or makeup or stuff like that. There's a little bit more counter space than your side, gentlemen. And then right here, the shower, which is basically the star of the show, is so awesome. I found this to be so convenient. First of all, you've got this tub right here, which just looks beautiful. It's actually like fun to show your friends your bathroom. You're like, hey, check this out. What do you think? And everyone's going to be like, it's amazing. But then the shower, where you can enter from both sides. There's no door. There's just a curb right here. And you just step in here. There's 2 shower heads right there. It is so dang convenient. How many times have you been walking to your bedroom and your wife is walking there at the same time? And maybe you both had a long day and you're like, what are you doing? And she's like, what are you doing? And then you start running because you both know you're trying to get to the shower at the same time, right? Well, now it doesn't matter. There's plenty of room here. You guys can hang out in here all day. It doesn't matter. It's really cool. We really love this primary bathroom, this particular setup. This is actually an upgrade. That's not the standard shower, but it is so worth it. If you're looking at a Belterra, just get that done. It is really cool. Once you get to the top of the stairs, you will step into this room right here behind me, which is the bonus room. As you can see, this room is absolutely giant, and they did a few upgrades in this room that are really nice, in my opinion. The first one being this wet bar right here behind me. I actually didn't get the wet bar on my personal home when I built this, and I regretted not getting it. It's really convenient to have the refrigerator, the microwave, the cabinet space up here, and the sink. It just is nice to be able to be up here and maybe pour a glass of wine or cook some popcorn or something like that and just not have to go back downstairs. And then in addition to that, if you guys look up, you will notice that this ceiling is actually like vaulted and they've got a beam running the entire length of this room. I didn't have that in mind. Mine were just flat, normal 10-foot ceilings. And I have to tell you, that really opens this room up and makes it feel like grand. It feels like a downstairs living room would feel, but it's upstairs. I think that's a really, really nice feature. So then for the rest of the upstairs, you've got 3 more bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and then this house also has a media room back there that I didn't have on my house. They built it out. It's a pretty nice sized media room back there. And then also in that hallway going to that bedroom, there are 2 walk-in attic spaces. So this house really has it all. I haven't even talked about the yard and the covered patio. So let's head out back. Let me show you the covered patio. And then I can't wait to show you guys this yard. It is just really, really special. So what would a house like this be without a beautiful covered patio, right? And one of the things I love about this specific covered patio is it doesn't actually come off the house. The house is kind of like built around it. So you've got exterior walls on each side of you, on the right and left right here. So you're kind of set back and you've got a little bit of privacy. And then of course there is a gas fireplace right here. There's a spot for your TV right here. There's beautiful wood tongue and groove ceilings above you and a nice ceiling fan. You really couldn't ask for more. This outdoor living space is great, but I'm even more excited to show you this yard. So let's check it out. All right, y'all, so this home has something really special about it. Actually, 2 things really special about it that I want to show you. The first one is it has a 4-car garage right there. So there's a 2-car side entry and then a 2-car front entry. That, in my mind, is absolutely huge. I love having a 4-car garage. Secondly, if you will notice, the front yard on this house is crazy wide. It is basically like a reverse pizza shape. Like, that side ends way over there. You guys can't even see my hand. It's like way down there. That side ends way down there. You should see the plat map. It's insane. That's because this actually has a 0.68 acre lot. Now look, I realize a lot of that is front and side yard and the house takes up a lot of it. But I will tell you, I would much rather have a 0.6 acre lot than not. I'd rather have it than some of the smaller ones in here. And because it's so wide, look at the spacing. That next house is way, way up there. Tons of spacing right there. Not as much on that other side, but still, I think that's really, really cool. 4-car garage, I mean, come on. Come on, who doesn't want a 4-car garage? This driveway is huge. It's got a little slope to it, but it's not horrible. And then they put a little parking pad on this side. Here's that side yard I was just telling you guys about, right there. There is a retaining wall behind this house, which I used to kind of talk negatively about, but I think they look really pretty, and it kind of gives you a fenced-in area without having to pay for the fence. And it's decorative, in my opinion. I think it looks decent. So here's the yard. It's not huge back here, but it's not tiny either. There's enough room to put a pool. Let's check out this side. And then you've got this side yard over here. So anyways, there you have it, guys. I really wanted to show you this. Let's head back inside. All right, so I'm not gonna lie. When I saw the price for this home and I was driving over here today, I was a little worried. I was worried it was overpriced. I mean, guys, I understand that prices are high in real estate, or they feel high at least. And I was coming over here and I'm like, oh man, this is gonna seem like it's overpriced. I hate that. So the price on this is $1,489,900. And I have to tell you, I do not feel like it is overpriced one bit. Where can you get a 4-car garage, 0.6 acre lot, and all those other things that I told you in a brand new home in Thompson Station for that price? It's basically impossible. So guys, my name is Matt Bogosian. If you'd like to look at this home or even another home in the Middle Tennessee area, click the link down in the description below. And from there, you can access my calendar and you can schedule an appointment for me. I appreciate you guys watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.